How's it going, guys? I'm Aaron. Today I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to set up Instagram automations on both Instagram and Facebook. You might be seeing this a lot. It seems to be kind of like a big trend where creators are saying, comment this and I'll send you a link or a document, whatever it is. I'm going to show you step by step on how to set this up. It takes less than 5 minutes and it's all through GoHighLevel. So let's get right into it. Okay guys, the platform that we're going to use to do all these automations is GoHighLevel. Previously, a lot of people were using ManyChat, which is around $15 per month. I personally like to use GoHighLevel just because they don't charge you any more for increasing volume. So meaning if you get more DMs, you're still going to pay the same amount. It's $97 a month. The reason we also use GoHighLevel is because it has texting automation, email automation, a bunch of CRM tools. It's an all-in-one kind of comprehensive CRM. So that's why we love to use it. There'll be a link in the description if you want to sign up for GoHighLevel. It is the CRM I recommend to do all of these. So once you log in, you are going to click on this right here. It's going to say connect for connecting your Facebook and your Instagram account. It's going to send you to Facebook, have you authorize your account, and then it's going to send you right back here. The next thing I want to do is go to automation, right? I want to create a workflow so that if somebody comments on my Instagram page, that it sends them an automated DM. So I'm going to click create workflow and I'm going to click select a recipe. From here, I'm going to scroll down and this one says Instagram comment automation. Use this recipe to automate the DM replies to comments on Instagram. Easy. So I'm going to click this. Once again, what's great about GoHighLevel, they already have this template set up for you. So for the trigger, right? This means what is going to actually trigger that DM, and it's going to be a certain comment. So we are going to choose a workflow trigger. We're going to leave this as is. It's going to say Instagram comments on a post. For the filters, it says page is, and I'm going to click link brokerages, which is our Instagram account that we're setting this up for. The post type is any published post, right? And the post is, this one is already set up so you can choose a specific post to run this automation on, meaning if someone comments on a different post with the same words, they're not going to get a DM. I want this to be set up on all of my posts. So I'm going to add a filter and I'm going to do exact match. And this one is going to be a Google Ads Instagram post. So the word is Google. I'm going to put in Google right here and just save the trigger. Okay, so the next step is a lot of people want to respond to each comment in the actual comment section. So if somebody comments Google, you're going to automatically reply, hey, check your DM. Or thank you for showing interest, please check your DM. I just wanted to say, hey, check your DM, and I'm going to save that action. Moving down, this is the Instagram interactive messenger, right? So this is what the DM is actually going to say. So it says, hi, I'm excited that you want to start your personal finance journey. This is obviously just a template. I'm going to have it say, hi, thank you for commenting. Your walkthrough is below. Okay. So once again, I am having them comment Google and then I'm sending them a walkthrough link, right? And this is all through YouTube. So for buttons, this gives you two options as well. You can have it like kind of siphon or send a random button. I am going to have it send the same one all the time. And it's going to say, view the walkthrough. And then you're just going to put that link that you want to send them to. For this instance, we want to send them to YouTube, but I'm going to leave that blank for now. So we're going to save that action and you are done. What's great about this is that you can just publish this like this and then click save. And then anytime somebody comments those words, they're instantly good. The first thing that I recommend that you do is actually test this out. So go on the Instagram page and actually comment that keyword. You should see a DM within 5 to 10 seconds. Click the link, make sure it works. Make sure that the DM is pretty. Obviously, this can be a lot more complicated from here. So if they respond certain things, you can automatically respond a certain way through DMs. All of that and some more tutorials are going to be in the description below. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon.